welcome back everybody to Not Like a T6. Today we're unboxing wind deflectors and I'm going to be going through and demonstrating how to put them on. It's a very simple, quick start to the video. This is just showing you exactly what's in the packaging, which is the two wind deflectors. There's tape either end, which you have to just remove when you're installing. It also comes with a small yellow bag in there, and there are instructions in the box as well, but I didn't even see them, but not to worry. There's instructions on the little bag with the clips. There's 4 of those, there's 2 each side, and you can see we'll show you how to put them on. So yeah, it's been about 5 years since I fit one of these. As per one of my other videos, it's exactly the same by the looks of things. You've got a bit of sticky tape here, which is going to stick to the inside of there, and then you've got a tiny bit of sticky tape on the back, and then we will be pushing the clips in. Now the last time I did it with the clips, I used a knife, so I'm going to go and grab one of those. We're going to do exactly the same thing. Okay, so we're going to start by taking off this front bit of sticky, and then what we'll do is we'll take the end one, back end off after. I think that's what I did last time. So the last time I did it, I put it from this end in first. And then what I did was take off this bit. It's a very small amount of tape on this bit, if I'm honest. I'm not sure what it's going to do very much. And then try not snap it in half. There's quite a lot of flex in it, but still. Cold daylight today, it's freezing again. That's it. And just try and push it up as hard as you can. And then we're going to get the clips. Use the trusty knife, which we've got. Continuity. We're going to put the clips in. Now, I believe last time I had one held up here, and probably one in this section here to make sure it's pushing against it this way. So you want the plastic to be pushing out, so this goes on the inside. And the little clip where you can see here's a little sort of sharp edge on it is what pushes, I believe, into the plastic rather than on into the actual door itself. So we're going to give that a go. And we always use that end. Okay, so it's finally on, and there was a bit of faff. The window is hitting this point here, and the auto safety feature where the window goes back down was hitting this point. So I've messed around with quite a bit, and the clips, I figured that they really do need to push this section out this way as much as they can. So I've got one clip here which is kind of that way, which is keeping the plastic out of the way because it was hitting just this lip here, and then I've stuck another one down here, sort of this section, to hold it both in place that way. So I mean, it is solid, and even with the window down, it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out. Now I had one of these fall off once, but that was the old T6, so I don't know if it's any different. I know the window has changed shape, so we'll just see how it goes, but I'm really happy with it because with this sort of colour, it kind of goes with the similar gloss finish, and we'll obviously keep the rain out when we're out and about and want a bit of ventilation overnight, so there's no rain's going to come in, so we can drop it down about 1 inch and get that air moving forward to get it through the actual cabin itself. So hopefully we won't have too many problems with moisture overnight. But so as you can see, there's the clip. It really does push right into there because you're really trying to get it in this gap to hold this out as far as we can get it. So we're going to give that a little try now. Hopefully the window will go up without any problems. Yeah, there you go, that's much better than the other side. So it's really being pushed out here now, keeping it really tight against the rubber itself. Then we're just going to put another small clip in here, and we should be good to go. So there's the second clip in, which is holding that front. You know, I'm sure people do these in different ways, but this seems to be the way that's working for me. There was instructions, but they weren't the greatest, but I'm feeling that will keep that out the way now. But let's give that a go. Yeah, that's absolutely fine. So that's it, everybody. That's the wind deflectors from Team HEKO, HEKO, however you pronounce it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.